welcome to my YouTube channel. And today we'll be talking about everything you need to know about Adsterra and how to earn on the Adsterra platform, how to set up your blog and connect it to Adsterra, how to earn without a website on your Adsterra. And if you're new here, just like and subscribe to my YouTube channel. So the first thing to do is to head over to your Chrome application and search for Adsterra. So I'm going to head over to this and click on the website https://adsterra.com. So Adsterra is an ad platform that pays for posting or getting traffic, and you can also buy traffic from Adsterra. So you can see buy traffic from Adsterra and also earn from traffic from your website or directly from your social media account. So as a newbie, I will just actually click here, sign up. Then they're going to tell you as an advertiser. So if you choose to promote your brand here, you can actually just buy top traffic and sign up as an advertiser. But as someone that will want to get monetized or paid by Adsterra, you have to start earning as a publisher. So I'm going to click on start earning. So you'll be directed to the sign up page on Adsterra platform, and you have to fill in all this stuff as a publisher. So you're going to give them your Gmail, your login is like your username, then what account you are using. For example, you can just pick anything here, then your payment method and your full name and your password. So then verify and tick this, then you can sign up. So I already have an Adsterra, account. I can just go here on my already created one and search for Adsterra. So this is my already created Adsterra account after opening the website. So I'm going to click on login here and as a publisher. So I'll be redirected to where I have to log in. And I just have to cross this part away. Yes, so this is what my Adsterra looks like after you have completed your login and everything. So here is the dashboard where they talk about everything you need to know, your certain news and all that. Here is the stats page, you're talking about your statistics. Here is for direct links. Here is for websites. So let's go ahead to the direct links to explain. So direct links is what you use directly if you don't have a website. So if I don't have a website, I have to like add a direct link. This then traffic type, add automation. You pick whatever you want and click on add. So I'm using an adult link, so I'll click on got it. Then look at this, I've created 3 direct links already. I just have to reactivate them. If they've been inactive for long, then I'll just get copy my link here. So once I copy my link, I can go ahead to my Facebook page, my WhatsApp page, and start it there and make people click on it and earn from that. So that's how to earn basically on direct link without a website. So if you have a website, you just have to come to this website tab here and add your website to it. So I've added several websites, and you can see most of them are under this blogspot. So blogspot domain. So what you just have to do here is to click on the add website, type your website here, whatever.com. Then I'm going to come here to the website category and pick whatever niche I'm under. So I'll just pick anime here. Then do you want adult ads? So adult ads are like above 18 plus. So you choose to put that. So yeah, adult ads surely boost your CPM. That pays you better. So if you choose to or you don't choose, so any one of any option you want to go with. So the next one is to choose the ad format. First is your pop under, next is your native banner, next is your banner, next is direct link, and last is social bar. So I think I prefer social bar to all these. You can choose any type of ad format you like. I will explain them in the coming video. Then you click on add. So this website is not valid, so that's the reason, because I already have most of them. So that is how to add a new website on your Adsterra platform. Then you can get the code by pressing this button here. So let me make this add code like active. So this is it. So once it is active, you can monitor your statistics. You can check the about here. You can also save when you are done, and you can actually get your code. So clicking on get code, I'll copy this code here in this box. So I'll just click on copy code. So this is the code you'll be pasting in your blog spots to make it show, to make ads show on your Adsterra, your blogspot site. So when I head to my blogger.com, I'll just open any post I have, then come here, then I have to change this from this view to HTML view. So I have to change it to HTML view, and I just need to add my code here. So the code I've copied here from my Adsterra site, this way I just click on get code, so copy my code, and I'm going to go straight to my blogspot edit and make sure it's already in HTML view. So you just have to place it anywhere, but in a very nice way. So I'm clicking my stuff here, then next thing to do is to click on updates. So this way I've added that code for add code in my website. So if I go ahead to view my website like this particular, or like this, so let me share this, copy this link. So let's just click on this view. So we're going ahead to my website. So this is what it looks like. So as you can see, I'm having pop-up ad coming out here. So this is the ad from my Adsterra platform. So for every impression you get, you make a particular sum of money, and for every click on this particular ad, you make a particular amount of money, and it's going to be added to your Adsterra balance. So that is just basically how to add your Adsterra link in your website, blogspot to be specific, and also earn from it. So why not like and subscribe to my YouTube channel? Thank you. And you can also drop all questions you have in the comment section below. I'll be responding to all of them. And wait for other videos to follow up so you can learn more about Adsterra.